Dang, why y'all watching me, man? God. I'm gonna like what y'all see. Appreciate you for tuning into the video, man. Hope y'all like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, check it out. So, I don't know if I'm working today. Something's in my eye. Because my mom got an appointment. We're gonna leave here around like 1. And then my nephew got a game at like 6. So, I don't know how long the appointment gonna take. And then if we get back, say about 3:30. There's no point of working because we gotta leave here like 4. Just beat the traffic going down there. That's on my eye. So I may not be working today, y'all, because I gotta hit the gym later on too. So nah, y'all, I'm not about to start working. I need to go Walmart and get some headphones, y'all. Cause I was working out last night. I think I told y'all, I don't know. I was working out last night, and man, me not having no headphones, I can't do that, man. I can't do that. So gotta get some. I'm not gonna get nothing expensive. Go get some ones that's like Bluetooth headphones and stuff like that. Probably some how's my hair still dry though? That's crazy. I washed it, well, not last night, but I did learn that like dandruff is like your body detox all types of ways, and I heard that's like one of the ways. That's crazy though. But face already going back, boy. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Your boy got some headphones, got some skull candies. They love cutting them on my fire. I'll try it in a minute. So you got me some skull candies, y'all. These was the cheapest ones. Even though I don't like the earbuds, but I take it. I had to get some, man. The other ones, the one I really was trying to look at, $80. Nope. All right, I'm back at the house. I'm about to leave, take my mom to her appointment in a few minutes. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a few minutes. So this is how they look. See if I can do it. Yeah. So the little charger. Where is it? Yeah. So it's cool. Skull Candace. All right, y'all. So we here. I forgot to let y'all know we was leaving. Everything was going too fast. So, but yeah, we here. So I'm gonna catch y'all. Y'all parking that handicap spot. I'm gonna catch y'all when we leave. Wait. Yeah, well, there we are. I gotta check it out. So I can't let y'all know we was leaving. My phone died. Man, the lady took forever, man. We got there like 1:15. We didn't leave till like 3:40. And instead, bring my parents home. My nephew got a soccer game today. I think I told you, I don't know, but yeah, he got a soccer game today. So gotta drive. It's gonna take like an hour and 44 minutes to get there, bro. It's traffic. Oh boy, my eyes tired. God, bro. Oh boy. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there. All right, y'all. I just made it here. They haven't started yet. I think they had. Yeah, they over there. They haven't started yet. They still practicing. All right, cool. So I'm gonna catch y'all when it's over. Let me get over. Hey y'all, check it out. So that game over. They ain't win, but I think they won every other game though. So it's their first loss. So, but it's all good. So I gotta head back to the house. I need when I get to the house, I need to take some Excedrin for my eyes. I've been looking at the blue light too much, affecting my eyes. So I need to do that. Get ready for the gym later on tonight. So yeah, he is mixed. They know. Oh, so I'm trying to get to the house. I gotta pee too. boy, I got some gas in there. Alright, I just made it to the house. Alright, I'm not gonna go to the gym today, y'all. My eyes it's like hurting bad. Like I've been looking at the screen too long. My eyes hurt real bad. It's almost 9 o'clock. They close at 11. So I gotta just end up going tomorrow. So I'm just go tomorrow, y'all. I'm gonna go tomorrow. Cause I can still go to the gym, but then it's like I wanna get up early because I'm trying to work early because my mom she got an appointment to go to tomorrow and they gotta come get her. And I gotta be there because my dad ain't gonna be home yet from work. So, you know, that's another reason too. So, but I'm finna roll through the neighborhood. So, I'll catch y'all in the morning.